guys. Welcome to math. Welcome to Friday. Today is 13-3 for our math. We are still doing time. Today, we are going to be learning something other than the o'clock hours. So today, our solve and share task is the red clock shows a time to the hour. The blue clock is missing its minute hand. Draw the minute hand on the blue clock to show, draw the minute hand on the blue clock so the clock shows half an hour later. Tell why you think you are right. Okay, now right here, the red clock shows what time? The red clock shows 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Now, it's asking you to do half an hour later. Well, first, we need to know how many minutes are in an hour. And do you remember all those times that we practiced counting by fives? Now is the time that we're going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. There are 60 minutes in an hour. So my minute hand, as it travels around 60 minutes. Okay, but it didn't want me to go to the whole next hour. It didn't want me to go from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. It only wanted me to go halfway. So where would I put my minute hand? I'm going to go all the way back to 1 o'clock. Now, what shape is my clock? My clock is a circle. Think of my clock as a pizza. If I was at the top of my pizza and I wanted to cut my pizza in half, where would my minute hand end up to cut it all the way in half? Okay, my minute hand, if I'm going to cut my pizza in half, my minute hand would end up on the 6th. The 6th. There is half my pizza. There is my other half of my pizza. So if I'm going to draw my minute hand half an hour later, my whole clock is an hour, right? We went all the way around. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60 minutes is a whole hour. I just want to go half an hour. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 plus 30 is 60. So my minute hand needs to be drawn on the 6th. So I'm going to get my red crayon and I'm going to draw. Oops, that's not red at all. I wanted you red. There we go. My red minute hand is going to be on the 6th. So now I want you to notice that my hour hand is no longer just on the 1. Look at, before my hour hand, when it was on the 12 at 1 o'clock, it was pointing directly at the 1. And the minute hand was pointing directly at the 12. Now, as I move my minute hand, look at my hour hand moves also.